the easiest way to recover your Gmail account. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a Gmail account using Google prompts. First, open any web browser of your choice. I use Google Chrome. Next, search for Gmail account recovery. From the search results, click on How to recover your Google account or Gmail. Scroll down until you find the Forgot Your Password. Then click on the link that says Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. Alright, go ahead and enter the email address you wish to recover, then click Next to proceed. Now, if you see this type of screen, it means you can recover your account via Google Prompts. Now, what are Google Prompts? Google Prompts is a two-factor authentication feature provided by Google to help secure your account. When you sign into your Google account on a new device, instead of entering a code from a text message or an authenticator app, you can get a push notification on your phone asking you to approve or deny the sign-in attempt. Usually you get a prompt on your phone, usually through the Google or Gmail app, asking, "Are you trying to sign in?" Just tap yes or no to allow or deny the login. It's more secure than SMS because it reduces risks associated with text message interception or SIM swapping. You must be signed into your Google account on a compatible Android or iOS device to use prompts. This method is especially useful if you've forgotten your password, lost access to your recovery email, or you reset your phone or lost your phone. Now here, you can see Google says, open your Redmi Note 8 Pro mobile and then tap yes on the Google notification. And then tap on 97 to verify it's you. Now this phone is a Redmi Note 8 Pro, but I don't get Google notifications. Why? Because I reset this phone. Now how do I get this Google notification? If I added any other Android or iOS device before being locked out, then I can view this notification. And luckily, I added my iPhone 13. So I can open my iPhone and then tap on the Google notification. If you don't get a notification, then simply open the Google app. Now tap on yes, it's me. And next tap on 97. Now, you've successfully recovered your Gmail account using Google prompts. Next, click on Update Password to replace the old password you had forgotten. Now, if for any reason this method doesn't work for you, then click I don't have my phone to proceed with the next recovery options. And that's it. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.